How's it going, trainers? This is Anthony at Gym Insight, and today we're going to be showing you how to migrate your clients to their user profile. Now, if you remember in the older version of Gym Insight, the way we previously did training is you first had to collect the money by going to their profile, clicking add sale, or showing that they paid you for training sessions. And then we used to have to click on the heart over on the left and add those sessions in. And that's where you would also service a client too, where you would type in what you've trained and then service the session. All that is now changed. The training is now attached to the user's profile, so it's all in one. And with this video, we're going to show you how to take those clients and merge them to their membership. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click on the little dumbbell to the left, and it's going to show you all of your clients, any sessions that are remaining. Now, this is only going to show you the sessions that are remaining for the client. So let's go ahead, and I see Jim Bob right here. We're going to click Migrate Client. We want to make sure that this is correct at the top, that I'm the personal trainer, and you could see it found the account right here. Now, if it didn't have an account, let's say this person only comes to the gym to do training and they do not have a membership, then we would just click New Guest Account. But in this case, we could see that Jim Bob definitely has a membership. So we're going to click Highlight Him, and we're going to click Merge with Selected Member. That's it. You're done. Now, in the case, let's say you merge somebody with 0 sessions of training and you want to add more personal training. You just click Add Personal Training. And now you can sell the sessions. Remember, after you sell the sessions, make sure to go to your manager or owner because they have to confirm and add your commission rate for those sessions. So let's say we are going to sell 5 sessions for $250. You could see right here, if there's a card on file, it would say charge card on file, or you could charge a new account, or if the customer's paying you cash, you're going to click this and you're going to, how do they pay you? You would select cash and click save. And that's pretty much it. Now let's go ahead and show how you service a session now. Well, if I know right away I'm going to service this customer, I can go ahead and just click this little checkbox. But going forward, what I want you guys to do to service a session is I want you to click on the little dumbbell, and now you can see right here under training clients, it'll show you all of your clients. And all you have to do is click Use Session. When you click Use Session, your note box will appear. Click Save. If you notice a client isn't here and you're looking to add sessions to somebody, maybe you just did an orientation and they want to buy training, all you have to do is search for the client up top, click on the member, then you're going to want to go to the person that's using this account, which would be Kyle Training. We'll click View. And there you go. You could click Add Personal Training. Also on this screen, if you want to service a session from this screen, just click the little checkbox right here. So again, if you want to add personal training, click on the Add Personal Training button. What type of training are you selling? So let's just put 3-session jump start. Number of sessions 3. Put in the amount. Let's put $99. Make sure down here where it says check-ins use up sessions, what this is for is if that box is checked, every time they check in, it will use up a session. This may be useful for somebody that just has personal training and a guest account, so they don't have a membership, so every time they do show up to the gym, they do use a session. You can use that. If this box is checked, once all of their sessions are used up, they won't be able to check in, so you know you have to sell them more training. If you have any questions at all about this, please visit us at www.gyminsight.com or give us a call, 855-367-4967. Thanks.